Hello everyone, my name is Rajna Shivasta. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter 7 of standard 4 from the textbook Looking Around. The chapter name is From the Window. Now students, let's get started. Already we saw in the previous video that is chapter 6 of EVS about Amna's journey, where Amna started her journey and she started to write diary for her friend was not unable to join her journey. So we'll see what happened next or what she saw in the train. We also saw who are the person in the railway station. We'll see what happened next. The next morning, so this morning, now last night Amna went to sleep early and the train stopped early this morning. She woke up, so it was the train was going of state of Goa. So everyone got off through at the station and they had some hot tea and filled their water bottles. The train started again. It was very difficult to describe the scene outside because it was so beautiful. It is green everywhere, fields with red soil, green crops and hills covered with trees. So sometimes you could see small ponds which are far away behind the hills. More water she could see in the ponds. She couldn't recognize if the water in the place, river or the sea. The air is cooler and not so dry as in Ahmedabad. So in Ahmedabad, there would be dry. Now she could feel chillness in air. The train passed a level crossing. So you would have seen level crossing as it. This is how it could be seen when train passes any road. So their pupil have to wait, or level crossing would be there. Pupil have to wait until train passes that road. So people are waiting on both sides of the crossing for train to pass. There are buses full of people, cars, truck, auto rickshaws, cycles, motorcycles, scooters and even tongas and block carts with the pupil and goods in them. So she saw many vehicles. Some people do not switch off the engines of their vehicles even while waiting. There is a lot of smoke and noise, so many times people don't which of these. It is always good habits to switch off the engines while waiting because they will avoid smoking and noise. So she saw same people going under the bars. The level of the non-noise level crossing is very dangerous. So she is not supposed to the crossing the base of the level crossing at the time our train crosses another train. So that time Amna's train crossed another train and her only friend and Amina's tried to count carriages and one such train. But both the train were going very fast, so they couldn't count the carriages. So they were very confused. So this is how it would be, the scene would be level crossing like this. Understood? Children, now let's see the question answers. What was the difference in the scene that Amna saw from the train on the first day and on the second day? On the first day, Amna boarded the train from her hometown Ahmedabad. There the weather was hot and dry. On the second day, when she woke up in the morning, she was at Madgaon, passing through the state of Goa. Their weather was cool and pleasant. She saw beautiful green field and hill covered with trees. Understood? Now, see at page number 55. Next question. Amna saw many kinds of vehicles at the level crossing. Which of them run on diesel or petrol? Among the vehicles that Amna saw at the level crossing, buses, trucks and a few cars run on diesel, while scooter, cars, motorcycles, etc. run on petrol. Next, Why was there so much smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? Because some people did not switch off the engine of their vehicles at the level crossing. As a result, there was a lot of smoke and noise. Next, what can we do to reduce noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? Discuss. We should use silencer in vehicles. Also, we should stop the engine while waiting on the traffic light. Understood? Sometimes people cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? So, it is a very dangerous to cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed, as it may be fatal. I strongly feel that no one should take such a risk, because anytime train might cross that crossing. Later I was sitting near the window. Her eyes will close. Suddenly the sound of the moving train changed. She opened his eyes. She saw a very big river crossing across to. So they were crossing on a very long bridges. So as it was crossing the bridge, it sounded was that very different. See here, this is how the bridge structure would be given. So bridge is the physical structure to pass away. So it can be river under it, road under it. You can see whether it was mountain and hill areas. So bypass that area. Picture saw builders so much which you cross the bridge. Hear different sound which road has. There was no ground, only the track and the water down below. So first she looked at the down. She feel giddy because it was really scary to look down. The river down below was full of water and handsome boats. She could saw some fishermen near the river. I waved at them. I did not know that could see ominous were that in the no one saw her. Alongside our bridge there was another bridge for buses and car. In their bridge, Omnibus was travelling by train and another bridge, so it was for buses and cars, so that was built different sound. This Omnibus train bridge, so she thought go over was adversing. Children, let's see the question answers. Page number 56. Have you seen any bridges? Where? Yes, I have seen several bridges while going to Delhi by train. Next, have you ever crossed a bridge? Where? I have crossed many bridges. There comes a bridge over the river Ganges at Allahabad. What was the bridge built over? The bridges was built over the river Ganges. What did you see below the bridge? We saw water and some boats below the bridge. Next, find out why bridges are made. Bridges are made for people and their vehicles to cross the river. Understood? Now let's see next page. So she start, right? Again the first hours have so exciting. After breakfast, Omna climbed on the